MobileXpression is a mobile app that rewards users for sharing browsing data. After downloading the app, you're asked to install a special tracker on your phone, which collects your browsing habits. In return, MobileXpression credits you with points that you can redeem for gift cards or cash rewards. The process is relatively simple, and it's marketed as a way to make passive income with minimal effort. However, before diving into the details, let's address the concerns right off the bat. The first thing you should know is that MobileXpression isn't exactly transparent about how your data is being used. While it promises that your browsing information is anonymized, it's hard to verify just how much of your data is protected. So, if privacy is a top concern for you, you may want to think twice before signing up. On the positive side, the app is fairly easy to use, and setting it up doesn't take much time. Once you've installed it, you pretty much forget it's running in the background. Your main job is to just use your phone as usual, and over time, you'll earn rewards. The points accumulate steadily, and you can redeem them for gift cards to places like Amazon, Starbucks, or even PayPal Cash. But let's talk about the drawbacks. First of all, the reward system isn't as fast as it seems. While it's marketed as passive income, you won't be racking up rewards overnight. It takes time to accumulate enough points for a decent payout. In fact, some users report that it can take weeks or even months to hit the minimum payout threshold. For those looking for immediate returns, this may not be the best option. Another downside is that MobileXpression is only available to users in certain countries. If you're outside the US or Canada, you might be out of luck. This limits the app's potential for a global audience. There are also occasional reports of the app malfunctioning or not tracking browsing data correctly, which can delay your rewards. In some cases, users have reported trouble receiving the points they earned. If you run into issues, MobileXpression does have customer service, but getting a resolution can sometimes take time. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Overall, MobileXpression is a legit app if you're looking for a way to passively earn rewards. But it's not without its flaws. If you're okay with waiting for your rewards to accumulate and don't mind the privacy concerns, it can be a decent option. However, for those who want faster results or are skeptical about data privacy, there are other apps that might be more appealing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one. And let me know your thoughts about MobileXpression in the comments below.